Welcome to the Tesla Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is August 26th, 2024, and we're diving into the latest developments in the world of Tesla and autonomous driving. Links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. In a surprising move, Tesla has removed all blog posts from its website that were published before 2019. This includes a particularly significant post from 2016, which claimed that all Tesla vehicles produced would be equipped with full self-driving hardware. This deletion has sparked concerns among customers and industry watchers alike, as it raises questions about the company's previous assurances regarding the self-driving capabilities of its vehicles. The 2016 blog post had led many Tesla owners to believe that their cars would eventually be able to drive autonomously without the need for hardware upgrades. However, despite ongoing discussions and developments in autonomous driving technology, Tesla's systems still require human supervision. In fact, the company has recently rebranded its system as FSD, supervised, acknowledging the need for human oversight. The issue of hardware upgrades has been a contentious one for Tesla. Many owners were under the impression that the necessary upgrades for full self-driving capabilities were included with their purchase. However, Tesla has charged some customers for these upgrades, leading to dissatisfaction and even legal action. Some customers have successfully sought refunds or free upgrades through small claims court, citing false advertising as their basis. As Tesla continues to develop new hardware iterations, questions remain about which vehicles will receive the necessary upgrades and whether these will be provided at no additional cost to the owners. The removal of the 2016 blog post, along with others from Tesla's history, makes it more challenging for customers to access information about the company's past claims and promises. Tesla has not issued any statements regarding the implications of these deletions or the current status of its self-driving hardware promise. This silence leaves many wondering about the future of Tesla's autonomous driving ambitions and the transparency of its communications with customers. That's all for today's episode of the Tesla Daily News. We hope you found these insights into Tesla's recent actions and the ongoing developments in autonomous driving informative. Be sure to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we've covered today. Join us next time for more updates and discussions on the world of Tesla and technology.